Today we're going to install a new battery on this 2015 Dodge Dart. Alright, first thing we're going to do is pick up the battery and put it into the battery bay. Alright, and there it is, and we're going to start off by putting this battery clamp. This is going to go right down in here. Just take your time because you got to match it with that right there and this bolt right here. Alright, and there it is. The tools you will be needing will be a 10mm socket. For this battery bracket, you will be needing an extension. There it is. And let's go ahead and remove this positive and negative cover. Let's go ahead and put on the positive terminal first. Swing this over. Apply it down there just like so. Let's grab the negative terminal and tie that down. Let's go ahead and tie our positive and our negative. Sweet, not too tight, just enough to keep them in place. This is moving, but the clamp is nice and solid. Ouch, that's hot. Okay, and that is how you install a battery. This one does not have a little cover there, which is kind of dangerous, especially with this post sticking up. The hood right there, thank God it has this heat shield. But that is how you install a new battery on a 2015 Dodge Dart. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.